Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create visual content for various purposes, such as social media posts, logos, presentations, and more. It offers a wide range of templates, design elements, and editing tools that make it easy for users to create professional-looking designs, even if they don't have advanced graphic design skills. Canva is available online and as a mobile app, and it can be used for free or with a subscription. Here are more details about how Canva works. 1. Sign up. To start using Canva, you'll need to create an account. You can sign up for a free account or choose a paid subscription plan. 2. Choose a template. Canva offers a wide range of templates for various purposes, such as social media posts, business cards, resumes, and more. You can browse the templates and select one that best fits your needs. 3. Customize your design. Once you've selected a template, you can start customizing it to your liking. You can add or delete design elements, change the colors and fonts, and add your own images or text. Canva offers a wide range of design elements, such as shapes, icons, and illustrations, that you can use to make your design more visually appealing. 4. Edit and refine. Canva offers a range of editing tools that you can use to refine your design. You can use the Align and Distribute tools to position elements precisely, crop and resize images, and add effects such as shadows and borders. 5. Download or share. Once you're happy with your design, you can download it as an image file or PDF, or share it directly on social media or through a link. Canva also allows you to collaborate with others on a design by inviting them to edit it with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for learning more.